a car with speed 10 meters a second turns in a path with a radius of 20 meters. The minimum coefficient between the tires and the road that allows the car to turn without skidding, and skidding is zahla, is. So we understand two things first. Centripetal acceleration is equal to mv squared divided by the radius. The second thing is that the coefficient of friction multiplied by the normal force of the car is equal to the friction between the car tires and the road. So we have these two things. The third thing to understand is that the centripetal force is equal to the friction. So just ignore this right over here. I was making the video for the first time and I actually wasn't focusing, so I made this error. Don't make my errors again, and you better focus with me this time. So here's the point. mv squared divided by r equals coefficient multiplied by normal force. What we need to do is bring the minimum coefficient, that is over here. Now how are we going to do that? Easy peasy. Now mv squared over r is equal to coefficient mg. Removing the m's, we get, in the g, we can remove the g and put 10, because g is the acceleration due to gravity, which is approximately 10 meters a second. So we have the coefficient is equal to v squared, and we know v squared is 10, so that is 100. Okay? Divided by the radius, which is, the radius was 20. So we just figured this out, and we divide that by 10. So we get, let's say that is 5, coefficient is equal to 5 divided by 10. Well, that is easy. That is 1 over 2. And our minimum coefficient of friction is 1 over 2. Now, if the coefficient of friction is less than 1 over 2, this car is going to skid. It is going to move off the road. If it is more than 1 over 2, there is no problem at all. And so I really thought that you should know how to solve this problem. Should it come on any SAT physics problem? Well, thank you very much, and see you in the next one.